Hi everyone, it's Celeste and I'm just letting you know really quickly that I finished a crochet project and now I'm going to do my first blocking attempt. I'm actually not the greatest at crocheting. I don't really understand patterns, and sorry for the extra noise. There's dogs, music, and a vacuum cleaner running right now. I could stop the vacuum cleaner, but I prefer not to. So anyways, this is a project for my YouTube channel with my own design. I created a shawl. Now I need to do blocking because these edges are curling in. I started this project on March 3rd, and you can see the thing here. So yeah, there's the video. Currently it's April 22nd, so it took me a little bit more than a month. It was off and on, and I'm just glad that it's done. I used 3 balls of yarn from my grocery store. Look at that my makeup's coming out. So I used 3 balls of yarn from the grocery store, and now I'm going project. Looks really pretty. I love these colors, and yeah, I'm going to be throwing it inside here, which is just some water and fabric softener. I'm gonna let it soak for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it dry and then hang it outside. Luckily, it's not raining in Denmark. Give it a nice water, and let's see what it will look like. Before this is finished, I am going to sew on a little closure on the front because I want this shawl to be very fun and quick for me to throw on. I love sweaters and I love shawls, so let's just see what happens. Coming back in like 15 minutes. Okay, so I kind of left it to sit inside the little bath that I made a little bit longer than normal just because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm leaving these placemats that have a little bit of an edge on top of this part so that way it can just stretch a little bit better. Okay, hold on a second. Let me, okay. So now I have this other side, and you can see it's still wanting to curl a little bit. I don't know, because if I left it to hang outside to dry, I don't think that's what I wanted to do, but let's just see how it goes. This is the shawl. You can see because of the gradient, it's supposed to look like this, but because it gets so much bigger, it looks more stripy, which I don't like, but I love this part. I love all the colors together, but yeah. Anyways, it smells so nice. I can't wait to have it finished. Time to go find a nice button and ribbon to secure it closed. And that'll be it. So, time to wait for it to dry. Again, I know I normally do just some cosplay or fashion content. This is slightly different because it is crochet, but sweaters and fashion are still crochet. If you guys know how to crochet or knit, leave a comment down below. And if you want to share with me anything that you have made, let me know. Okay, so hopefully that dries quickly, and I'm going to get a button and a ribbon to secure it together on the front. So originally I was going to use buttons kind of like this, nice and big to go around. But then I realized sometimes just having a nice little wrap shawl would be nice. So what I'm going to do is burn the edges of this ribbon and just weave it through whenever I want to wear it. And that's the end of my shawl. I hope you liked it. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. Ta-da! Here is my finished crochet little shawl. It turned out so cute. I love it. Like, I know it's stripy, but if you look at the back, you can see more of the gradient down here. And I like this just makes me feel like very fairy godmother. And then if I want to, I can actually turn it to the side a bit. Sorry. And now it looks more like a poncho, and you see the stripes this way. I think it's just so wonderful that I can be a yarn wizard on top of a textile wizard. So I'm making my own textile from scratch. So if you've never tried crocheting, I highly recommend just picking up a quick $2 yarn or something and getting a little crochet hook and just trying it out. I've been crocheting since I was in middle school, but never have I really made something this large, and I love it. That's not true. I've made baby blankets pretty big, but this is my finished project. What do you all think? Leave me a comment down below on how I did. Can I have changed it? And what would you do? Would you wear this? I'm asking all these questions. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!